It looks like he's back on.
Judge, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, I can change it. I don't know what was going on with my mic.
That's okay. That's okay. All right. Back on the record in state of Texas versus Ethan Castillo, cause number 2026 CC 003812. All parties who were present prior to the recess are again present to include Mr. Castillo. We're still on Zoom and we're still live streaming the proceedings. And there's a little bit of a mix up on the paperwork. And according to the clerk, she can change it from county court at law number 7 to county court at law number 12 when we finish up with this hearing. But again, my name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting in the Bexar County Jail Court, and specifically for County Court Law number 12, even though the paperwork for now says 7. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Talia Trish for the state.
Warren Wolf for Mr. Castillo.
Sir, are you the same Ethan Castillo charged by information with burglary of vehicle? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
You use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you some documents. The first one I'm going to show you is called the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. And I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signatures. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're telling me two things. One, you understand normally we do pleas live in an open court, but you're consenting to do this plea by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
Secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all the electronic signatures in the plea packet in front of me today, you're telling me that those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the consent. I make it a part of the record. Sir, I'm scrolling to another document called the Court's Admonishments. It's a 2-page document. And on page 1, it's a little confusing the way these bubbles are set up, but it looked like the bubble got checked for DWI open container. Just below that's the Class A bubble, and I changed it to the Class A bubble. But going to page 2, on page 2 is electronic signatures. First,
Yes, sir.
you get out of share screen. By signing the court's admonishments, you're telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Rights you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is anywhere up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments and make them a part of the record. State, can you tell me what the agreement is?
It's a $0 fine plus court costs, 50 days Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently. He does have 50 days.
That's our understanding as well, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And Mr. Castillo, is that your understanding as well?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I do not have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And that's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions are filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
No, Your Honor.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, I will allow you to withdraw the plea and will proceed to trial as if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual, rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
Yes.
Do you believe he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
Yes.
Sir, to the offenses listed on your information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Do you understand you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes.
Other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
Am I gonna be going home today, sir?
Well, that depends on the jail giving you good time. But my understanding is you've done at least 50 days. If I send you to 50 days, there's no reason for them to hold you. But that's really essentially part of your plea bargain. But did anyone promise you anything outside of your plea bargain? Like if you plead today, we'll give you $100 or anything like that?
No, sir.
Right. Did anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No, sir.
You're going over this case with your attorney. Do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, sir.
Find the plea is freely, intelligently, voluntarily made, and that he's mentally competent to enter into such a plea, and I find him guilty. Counsel, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No.
There be no legal reason. According to the agreement of the state, sir, sentence you to 50 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served. There's a $0 fine and court costs. Time and money will run concurrent, and this is judgment satisfied. Sir, this is a plea bargain case. I filed the plea bargain, so you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record, and will provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. For the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state.
Judge, I just want to say that for Mr. Castillo's benefit, that it's just a matter of the sheriff processing this plea paperwork as to get him ready to be released.
Yes, sir. All right. Thank you, sir. If there's nothing else from either side, then the matter is concluded. Thank
No,
you,
Your
sir.
Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
May I be excused, Judge? Thank you.
Thank you,
Yes,
Mr. Wilson.
sir. Ms. Rivera, you okay? Do you need a break or anything like that?
If I'm not mistaken, Judge, is that all the pleas?
Oh, I don't know. I was going to see if you just needed a break.
Yes,
Okay,
that's all the
for
please.
us.
All right. So then we now have, do we have any more MTRs or anything like that?
I don't think so, Your Honor.
I think
Okay.
we got.
Wingington was the only one.
So now we're just on the bond docket?
Yes.
All right. It just turned out that Ms. Rivera, right when I was asking if you need a break, it's break time anyway.
A break for the holiday weekend, right?
Yes, that's right. That's right. Okay. Well, thank
Good weekend, everyone. Take care.
Bye.
Expended.
Have a good weekend, everyone. See y'all.
Bye.
Bye.
That lets me know, Ms. Guzman, are we not having court tomorrow?
No, Judge, we are not. It's Good Friday.
Yeah, okay. I was wondering, I'm glad I asked because I'm gonna showed up tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, no.
You can be in public servants. That is nice to know.
Debbie, for Garcia Skylar, did that get sent back?
I just-
No,
Just
I
click it.
believe ADA Trish was gonna do a dismissal.
Okay, okay,
I just clicked the dismissal
okay, thank you.
form on there, so kind of funny. Okay, so let me turn off YouTube Live.